Hello, hi everybody, this is Midnight here, and today, guys, I'm going to bring you another video, and the video I'm going to be bringing you guys is the Note 10 Plus. So, this is one of the most beautiful out of Samsung's phones. As you can see, it has a really beautiful gloss. It's a black, and this is the case that actually comes with it. And you can see how really nice it is. And there's the 3 cameras on the back. And there's a flash. This is for the wide angle. So I'm gonna turn it on. And it has the one thing I really like about it. It has the fingerprint scanner right on the front. So here's all my apps and stuff. I had a time to actually play with this phone, but this is one of the better phones that I ever play with. I did do a video on the S. Oops. And right down here, here's the glorious pen. Now, the pen is really neat. You can move the screen with it. You can, create a note. You can note, but you can draw, you can color with this thing. So you can see that. This is really easy. And also, what you can do is you can take pictures with it. It's like a remote sensor to take pictures. Where is it? So watch. See? That's so cute. So anyway, like I said, guys, I wanted to show you that I have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It has, like I said, it has a beautiful camera, wide angle. It takes awesome photos, awesome pictures, and everything else. All the aspects of the phone will be in the description, so if you want to learn more, because I'm not going to get into the true depth of this phone. It is water resistant, and it's Samsung's most water resistant phones ever. So if you guys want to learn more about the phone, look into the description for all the aspects of what the phone has. And like I said, it comes with this nice stylus pen, and I believe the different colors. You can also get it in blue, but this one's in black. So fortunately, I will be doing a video with this camera and doing and talking and stuff. I will do a test video and do test photos with it. So I just wanted to show you guys that. But it's a beautiful phone. Nice large screen. It's about I would say it's about 6.3, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is 6.8. So that's nice. It's a really beautiful phone. You know, I think it does quad HD video, and it takes awesome pictures, awesome photos, which I will be doing a review on that later. But like I said, if you guys want to see all the phone's aspects, the video will be in the description below. Okay, everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and as always, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. And as always, guys, please go follow us on Twitter and Instagram. And Happy New Year.